In this tutorial, we're going to go over line chart plotting and how to plot stock prices in Excel. So here we have our data. I already typed it all out. You can either copy or use your own data. We're going to start off by highlighting all of it. You can either do Control Shift down arrow, or you could just highlight it with your mouse. We're going to come here to insert. And one way we could do it is we could either do it manually, come through here with a line chart, or we could do recommended charts. Now, since we're plotting stock prices and it's time series data, we're most likely going to want to run a chart like this. So we could press OK. And now we have our basic plot. If for whatever reason your data is in the wrong order, you could either switch the row and column, which ours is in the right order, so we don't need to do that, or we can manually select our data and edit it here. So what we can do to customize this a little bit is we can come up here to this plus sign, and we can come here to chart elements. Now, if we would like, we could add a legend to our plot. Since it's only one stock or one set of prices, it's just going to show up as prices. If we had multiple tickers, that would be our legend here. We could also add something like a trend line, and it can go right through the middle of our chart and give us an idea of where the trend is going. We could also add data labels, which are quite useful because then it tells us exactly what price we're looking at. We could also click this axis titles box, as we can then change the axis titles for both the X and the Y. Now that you can see, we've changed the name of our chart by just pressing into here, and the name of our X and Y axis. Now we can also come to this little paintbrush here and change the style manually like this. You can see it's giving us a lot of different options. If we want different backgrounds, if we want, say, to change the opacity. For now, we'll go with this one. If we would like, we could change some of the colors in here. And that's all we'll be covering in this tutorial. Now you can go a lot deeper with this and continue plotting or customizing how you'd like, but this just covers the surface of what's possible in Excel.